Hello everyone. Hi. So today we are going to learn on vocabulary and listening. Okay? So we are still in unit 2. Okay? So let's look at the page here. We are now on page 23. Okay? So turn to page 23 on your textbook. Okay, so now let's look at this page. Vocabulary and listening professions. People who change the world. Okay, so maksudnya orang yang melakukan perubahan dalam dunia. Okay, so let's look at this chronological chart. So it starts with 1,800 years, the year of 1,800. Okay. So there's an English engineer invented the first computer sampailah now on 2012 an athlete won gold medals in the Olympic Games for both the 5,000 meter and 10,000 meter races. Okay, so ini adalah orang-orang yang membuat perubahan dalam dunia. Okay, so now ni pictures dia. Kenal tak orang-orang dalam picture ni? Ada kod yang korang kenal kan? So this one is Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg ni dia adalah pemilik Facebook. Okay, this one, this is former US President Barack Obama. Right. Okay, yang lain ni you have to Google kalau nak kenal siapa. Okay, let's try and look. Let's try to do still page 23, exercise 1. Okay, look at the timeline. Okay, so ini adalah timeline tu. Okay, listen and repeat the words in blue. Do you know who any of the people are? Okay, so I will play for you an audio.
Vocabulary and listening. Professions. Exercise 1. Engineer. Painter. Explorer. Comedian. Pilot. Dancer. Astronaut. Musician. Scientist. Inventor. Writer. Politician. Athlete.
Okay, so that is the audio for 1.26. Okay, so do you know who any of the people are? Itu yang dia tanya tu. Do you know this engineer? Do you know this painter? Okay, so now let's look at exercise 2. Match the names with the descriptions in the timeline. Okay, before that, perkataan-perkataan biru ni faham tak maksud dia in bahasa? You have to know lah the maksud kan, the meanings kan. So that is your job to Google it. Okay, try cari maksud from your dictionary or from Google. Okay, so now Exercise 2, match the names with the descriptions in the timeline. So there are A, B, C until M. Okay, so ni adalah nama-nama yang boleh korang padankan with all these professions dekat timeline ni. Okay, so korang kena cari. Okay, Charlie Chaplin ni siapa? Barack Obama ni siapa? Charles Babbage ni siapa? So you have to match dengan the profession di timeline. Itu exercise 2. Right? So now, after you have complete this exercise, I will post the answers in our in our WhatsApp group. Okay? Oh, is it Telegram? Oh, in our Telegram group. Okay? Listen and check your answers. Dekat number 3 ni. I will post it after you have finished your work for exercise 2. Okay? And then exercise 5. Listen to a reporter interviewing some people. Which names from exercise 2 do they mention? Okay, so now I will play for you the audio for exercise 5. Okay?
Unit 2. Vocabulary and Listening. An interview. Exercise 5.
Tonight, we're talking about important people in modern history, and I'll be introducing tonight's guests in just a moment. First of all, we sent our reporter, Sam Jenkins, out and about to see what you had to say on the subject.
Sorry to bother you. Do you mind if I ask you something?
No, of course not.
Which person in modern history do you admire the most?
Oh, that's a difficult question.
We're doing a survey to find out what people think.
I see. Can it be anyone?
Yes. A politician, a painter, an athlete, whatever. Someone that you think has made a difference to the world.
Well then, for me, it's the musician, John Lennon. He was a talented singer and wrote some really beautiful songs. He believed that people should live in peace.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot for your time.
No problem.
Hi there. Have you got a minute? I just want to ask you a quick question.
Go ahead.
We're trying to find out which famous person from modern history people admire. Who would you choose?
Well, the only person I can think of is the guy who invented Facebook. What's his name?
Mark Zuckerberg?
That's right. I'll choose him because I think Facebook was a really clever idea. I mean, it's completely changed the way people communicate.
Right. Thanks. Are you two together?
Yes.
Okay. So, can I ask you the same question?
Yeah, sure. I don't agree with Jason because I don't think Facebook is such an amazing invention.
Okay.
For me, it has to be someone who really gives people hope. Like that runner, Mo Farah. He moved to the UK from Somalia when he was a boy and became a really successful athlete. He won 2 gold medals at the London Olympics. I think he's amazing because he shows that anything is possible when you try hard.
Great. Thanks a lot. Well, we're going back to the studio now.
Okay, everyone. So that is the audio for 1.28. Okay, so Which names from exercise 2 do they mention? Apa nama dari exercise 2 ni yang diorang mention tadi, yang diorang sebut? Perasan tak? Ada perasan tak? Dengar tak? So first, kalau korang perasan, dia ada sebut John Lennon ni, yang I ni, John Lennon. And the second one is the owner of Facebook. Who? Yes, E, Mark Zuckerberg. And the third one, the athlete. Who? H, Mo Farah. Okay, so that so those are the three names that they mention in the interview. So now I would like you to replay this video and listen again to the audio of 1.28 yang kita baru dengar tadi. You have to listen again and answer the question in exercise 6. In exercise 6. Okay? So, that is all for the lesson today. So, I hope you will do all these exercises that I have asked you to do, and I will share the answer in our next lesson. Thank you, everyone. Bye.